Hello, piano beginners. Welcome to episode 3 of Introduction to Piano or Keyboard. In episode 2, we saw how the alphabets are being arranged on the white keys. So, we also learned that the black keys also derive their name from the what? From the black keys. So, before we'll be able to know the names of the black keys, we have to know some certain definitions. One, we have to know what is flat. Two, we have to know what is sharp. Okay, as a keyboardist, as a pianist, you have to know what is flat and what is sharp. Let's move straight to it. So now, sharp means that moving a half step forward on the keyboard. So let's look at an example. This is my C, and sharp says that moving forward or increasing the pitch a half step. So half step means that moving one step. So as I am moving forward, the pitch is what? Increasing. That is sharp. So let's look at something. So you can see that as I am moving forward, the pitch is what? Increasing. The sound is what? Increasing. Now let's look at flat. What is flat? Flat is moving backwards away on the what? On the keyboard. So this is my C, my root. So I am moving backward. That's a half step. So as I am moving backwards, the pitch is what? Decreasing. So that is the difference. For flat, the pitch decrease. For sharp, the what? The pitch what? Increase. So since you know the definition for sharp and flat, let's look at the names of the black keys. So now, I am on C. You already know that this is C. Now, I want to know the name of the what? Of the black key right ahead of C. So in our definition, we learned that if we move forward a half step, the pitch what? Increases, and we call it sharp. So we also learned that the black keys derive their name from the what? From the white key. So since this is C and I'm moving forward a half step and it is sharp, meaning that since the black key is deriving its name from the white key and I'm moving forward a half step, we call this key C sharp, because right from C we are moving what? Forward a half step. So we call it C sharp. So the next key, we know that this is D. So the same thing, if I move forward to the next key, I call this D sharp, because I'm moving a half step forward away from my what? Root, or my original what? Key. So this is called D sharp. Let's look at something. Now, assuming I am standing at D and I move backwards, what is it called? I think you can write it at the comment section. Yes. So what is it called? It is called a flat. So I'm moving backward. I'm standing at D and I'm moving backward. It is called a flat. So therefore, if I am to name this key, it is called D flat, because I am moving what? Backwards a half step. But if I'm on C and I'm moving forward, it means this black key is called C sharp. Now, so this same key can be called D flat. At the same time, this key can be called C sharp. Now, we know how to derive the name for the what? For the black keys. So that is the same procedure you are going to use to what? To determine the names for the other 3 black keys. Now, I don't want to do it, but I want you to get the understanding. I want you to do it yourself. So if I'm standing on F and I'm moving forward to the next black key, what is it called? Thank you for having time with us. We shall meet next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like as well, and leave your comment. Anything you are facing, just comment and we will reply to you. Thank you.